world records that I plan to set today. The first one is fastest counting of 1 to 100 in Kannada in 1 minute.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮೂರು ನಾಲ್ಕು ಎರಡು ಮೂರು ನಾಲ್ಕು ಮೂರು ನಾಲ್ಕು ಐದು ಆರು ಏಳು ಎಂಟು ಒಂಬತ್ತು ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತು ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತೆರಡು ಮೂರು ನಾಲ್ಕು ಐದು ಆರು ಏಳು ಎಂಟು ಒಂಬತ್ತು ಮೂವತ್ತು ಮೂವತ್ತೆರಡು ಮೂವತ್ತ್ಮೂರು ಮೂವತ್ತ್ನಾಲ್ಕು ಮೂವತ್ತೈದು ಮೂವತ್ತಾರು I am setting the second of the 3 world records I have planned to set today. This is the fastest writing of all the 51 Kannada alphabets. So I will begin the record now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
Stop.
Wow, 34.72. Good morning, viewers. I am Professor Dr. S. Ramesh Babu. I am a metallurgical scientist retired. Today is 1st November 2020. Today is a very special day. It is Kannada Rajyotsava celebration. I wish to wish all viewers a very happy Kannada Rajyotsava day. Particularly on this Kannada Rajyotsava day, I chose to set 3 world records, which includes 2 records pertaining to Kannada language. I embarked today on setting my world record number 86, 87 and 88. World record number 86 was the first record I set today. This pertained to fastest counting of 1 to 100 as many times as possible in Kannada language in 1 minute. I am very happy to announce that in the presence of these authenticating officials, I am able to count 1 to 100 2 times plus 1 to 68 in the first attempt, 1 to 70 in the second attempt, and in the third attempt also around 65 or 66. We are claiming the first maiden attempt 268 for the record. We will replay that. The judges will decide based on the clarity whether they are recommending the first one or second one for the record purpose. This is the first record. Actually, I had targeted for 260 in 1 minute. 260 translates to around 460 words per minute speed. So another 8 extra is about 16 letters. So nearly 476 words per minute is the speed. I like you to get an idea that I hold a world record in Sanskrit recitation. That record was 355 words per minute, Sanskrit recitation. 450, 475 is a really very huge speed, galloping speed. So this is record number 1. The second record was to write all the 51 Kannada alphabets in as quickly as possible. There is a small discrepancy regarding the number of Kannada alphabets counted. From our childhood, we were taught 16 swaras, 25 Vargiya Vyanjana and 10 Avargiya Vyanjanas as the total number of alphabets, which counts to 51. But in the recent times, because Ru is not, no word stemming from Ru is used, so Ru is taken out of the Aksharamala, that reduces it to 50. And Ksha is the last Sanyukta Akshara in the Aksharamala. Because it's a Sanyukta Akshara, so modern day people also delete that from the alphabet and claim it as 49. But I have not deleted Ru, I have not deleted Ksha, I have included both Ru as well as Ksha. So A, I, I, U, Ru, A, I, O, O, Ammaha, Kaka, Gaganga, Cha, Cha, Ja, Jana, Cha, Cha, Ja, Jainya, Tata, Dadana, Tata, Dadana, Papa, Babama, Yara, Lava, Shasha, Saha, Aksha. All this I am able to write in a record time of 34 seconds in the first attempt, 34.28 in the second attempt, and 34.72 in the third attempt. Based on the legibility of the writings, the judges have opined that 34.28 is considered as the recommended
for the
writing for the record purpose. So this is the record number 2. Actually, this is much better than my personal best during the video trials, which was around 35.74 or so. Because of the presence of all these people and the atmosphere, I think I am able to cut down a couple of minutes. I am very happy about it. The third record pertains to, sir, sheets kodi sir. The third record pertains to fastest computer keyboard typing of random English letters in 1 minute. I am very happy to announce that I am able to make at a galloping speed of 1671 letters in 1 minute. The number 1671 is arrived based on a very careful work done by all the judges. I had typed 5 pages plus the 6th page. Each page consisted of 15 lines, approximately about 21 to 24 letters in a line. But each page wise, line wise, the numbers have been counted, written, and all the page total has been taken, and it turns out to be 1671 random letters typed in 1 minute. And this divided by 60 gives me a speed of 27.9 letters per second. 27.9. I want people to know that I am not claiming a record for the fastest typing of words. This is fastest typing of letters. The world record for the fastest typing of words passage is 165 words per minute. Even assuming there are an average of 6 in a word, there will not be average 6. The average may be even 5. Even that comes to around just less than 1000. So this is a really huge speed, and this is an inaugural. All the 3 I have been inaugural world records. So I am very happy that I am able to say. With this, now my total number of world records is 88. I also have 9 national records. So 88 plus 9 is 97. So today I am here at Bangalore and officially claiming that I have 97 records in my credit. I am only short of 3 more records to reach the century of records, and I have plans of reaching that in all probability before the year end, if everything goes well. I will begin my practice in a couple of days.
We wish you to success, make a success in this year itself.
Thank you very much, sir. It close ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. I like to introduce the 3 authenticating officials for today's 3 world records. We have here Mr. Ganapati H. Gowda. He is a highly qualified person. He has MA and BEd to his credit degree. He is a history senior lecturer at the Government Pre-University College at Kodigehalli. He is very close to me. We have worked together on several occasions. He had invited me to his college on several occasions, and I have delivered motivational lectures. Apart from teaching history, for which he is a very popular teacher in the college, he also takes very active part for motivating youngsters to do social responsible activities. He has been the coordinator of national social service for a very long time, NSS, and I am aware of the good work that he has done. I have great pleasure, Mr. Ganpati Gowda, that you agreed to come here to authenticate the record, and I wish to request you to kindly accept a small token memento for the record. We have Mr. Dayanand. Mr. Dayanand is an extraordinarily brilliant professional in a variety of businesses. Currently, he is the CEO of Frugal Aqua Systems. I know Mr. Dayanand since my world record days of 1996. He has seen me growing in my records, and many of my documents were very carefully prepared by Mr. Dayanand. He is one of the fastest typists available. Mr. Ashok Kumar says, Ramesh Babu, you are setting a world record in typing. Mr. Dayanand is, as I know, is one of the fastest typists. I have every confidence that if Mr. Dayanand minds, he can break the present Guinness record of 165 words per minute for a passage. And I hope one fine day, sir, I will be in a position.
With your blessings, sir, or no, with your wishes, sir, I will try. I will just practice.
I'm sure.
And I will see to it.
Yes.
You will do something.
Yes,
in
sir.
this
Yes,
direction.
On my request, he readily came. Not only today he came to authenticate, he came for a video rehearsal also. I'm grateful to you for the time you have spent. His daughter's marriage is on 5th, but you see today he is here with us. That shows the love and affection you have for me, sir.
We always love you.
And I have pleasure in giving this small token memento to you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Mr. Ashok Kumar has been associated with me for a number of years, and he has been the logbook official of 25 of my world records. Nobody else in India can claim to be the official to have officiated so many world records. He has that unique distinction. Usually he is the official timer for many of my records. Today also he was the official timer of my records. Mr. Ashok Kumar is a consultant for computer graphics and printing. He is also a very versatile person with business interests in very many areas. Sir, I am grateful to you for the time you have spent for me. I request you to kindly accept a small token. We have Mr. R. Jagdish. Mr. R. Jagdish, please come. He is a very senior photographer, professional photographer from Indian Institute of Science, retired from Indian Institute of Science. And out of affection for me, Mr. Jagdish has come here to be the official photographer for the record. I request you to kindly accept a small token. Shruti Ramesh is my daughter. She has been very supportive to me for my records by taking video trials of most of my recent records. And even for this record, she took video from various angles under different lighting conditions and so on. And finally, she zeroed on what has to be done today regarding the position, lighting and everything. And thank you very much, Shruti, for your cooperation. And I look forward to your continued support in my record feeds. Please accept a small token. Thank you very much.